Well, that has to be the weirdest thing I've ever found in a car. Oops. You've got to hear these indicators, they are absolutely hilarious. Ready? Oh no! Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So, I was on Facebook Marketplace the other day and I saw this little car come up and I just couldn't resist it. I don't know why. It's absolutely rotten, but here we go. Here it is. It's a Honda Acty. Not sure what year it is. Maybe someone can find out from that number plate. But yeah, it's absolutely rotten. But it's a Japanese van with the engine is right in the boot, in the back floor there. It's a little like 0.5 litre, I think, Honda motorbike engine. The thing is pretty rotten. I'm gonna I'll just give you a bit of a walk around and show you how rusty this car is. And I actually have no idea what we're going to do with it, but we're going to try restoring it, I think. Fingers crossed. I don't even know if it starts or anything, so that'll probably be where we'll start off. But yeah, I'll give you a quick walk around of it, see what you think. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is try and get it off the trailer. I towed it onto the trailer. Have no idea. I don't think it's run for about 5 years. I think it was the last time this was started up. So, as I like to do with all my cars, I like to see if I can start them and drive them off the trailer. Don't know why, but just makes, I'm here on my own, makes my life a little bit easier if it does start. Fingers crossed, I hope it does. But yeah, I'm gonna chuck a battery in it, see if it starts up. I think the battery is underneath here. Right, let's get this stuff out of the way so we can get to the battery. See what happens if we turn the key. Oh, I can hear a fuel pump. Alright. And a radio. Yeah, fuel pump and a radio. Oh my god. The suspension is so soft. Okay. Surely this will have a choke, won't it? Yeah. Came out easy. Alright, well, turn the fuel pump on. Oh, that's not the choke. That's not the choke. That must be the blower. This is the choke. There we go. Alright. The pump's primed. Alright. We're in gear. Try that again. Oh my god. Jesus. It runs, but Jesus. Alright, so here it is. Runs and drives. The brakes are awful. There's nothing, and then there's a tiny little bit at the end, which still pretty much does nothing. But it does run and drive. You can see how rusty it is. So every time I turn it on, I can hear this beep from a radio, and I kept fiddling with this and nothing's happening. And I opened this. That's on all the time. What is that? Ears. What the f... Well, that has to be the weirdest thing I've ever found in a car. What the hell? What else have we got? We got nail diamond. A sewing kit. And look at that. Huh. It's quite useful. Tax disc from 2014, which means it must have been on the road. 2014. Holland keyring. Someone drove this to Holland. What the hell is that? I have no idea what that is. Am I supposed to keep money in it? Oh. No? You put coins in it? Maybe. How weird. Spanner. Whilst I had it in the air, I did change the exhaust. You listen to it now. It should. Now all the noise is coming out of there instead. Yeah, so it's running. It sounds a lot better now. Nowhere near as loud. Alright, so I just went up there and turned it around. and stamped on the brakes, because I need to know which ones are working and which ones aren't, for it's going for an MOT test. Don't think this wheel here is working at all. When I stamp on the brakes, it pulls right to the left, and the back ones sound like they lock up. I'm pretty sure this one's not working. We're going to delve into that. Alright, so I've applied the brakes with the brake applier 5000 there, just to see which ones aren't working. Oh, hang on, so there we go. I can still turn that one. So maybe there's a piston seized in that caliper. Yeah, only that one's moving. This one's not moving at all. Alright, so when I push the brakes, that one's moving and that one isn't moving. I think that cylinder will be seized. So with some whacking and some twisting on the bottom, Jesus, what are they called? Cylinder, wheel cylinder. Now, still that one, hang on. Now, when I pump it and I block this one off, you can see it's going in and out freely. So I'm going to put the drum back on, and hopefully that should sort this brake. Alright, so I was just checking this all over for an MOT, about to go there now, and you've got to hear these indicators. They are absolutely hilarious. Ready? Oh no, I've lost them. Oh no. Just got back from the MOT station, and wow, we failed big time. I wish I got it on film, but on the way back from the MOT station, the guy came around the corner, the tyre was shredded, 3 pages of failures. It's mainly just rust, to be honest. I've got some new tyres on it now because I couldn't actually get it home. Luckily I bought some as soon as I got the car, and he fitted them for me, which is great. In the next video we're going to be cutting out all of the bad metal and welding in hopefully new metal. I've got 10 working days to take it back and get it MOT'd, so got to get to it. Yeah, thank you very much for watching.